We're at the playground on Marble Crest. And yeah, they have a lovely playground here. And they have a broke one, it's roped off. Not sure why. We always call this the pine cone playground. There's all these pine cones. Look at all these pine cones. I'm coming. Let's see what's over here. Yeah, it's all roped off. I don't know if it's... Maybe something happened. Doesn't look like it's broken, like, anywhere. That's weird. Huh. I don't know. This one looks pretty good, though. They got like a rock climbing or something over here. It's not as good as the one in Center Wildwood, but it's not too bad either. Oh, wow, look at the bridge. Is it scary?
Yeah.
Well, that's why you got to really hold on to those railings. Yeah. Go ahead. Pay attention to what you're doing and climb up.
What happened to that little one? The little one over there. What happened to it?
I don't know.
Some kid fell on it.
Are you sure? That's her speculation. We really don't know.
Well, this is so weird. Wow, it's like stairs. You can sit on it and then look in. Whoa, what is this?
It's like a rock climbing or something. Ah, it's got like a wheel that turns, huh? Rock climbing. Turn around and come down. Turn around. And then climb down. Then don't do it. Go the other way. I think you should climb up it, not down it. That's what these handles are for.
Well, can you slide down it? Or what?
That's what I said. Come down like this.
Okay.
Turn around.
I don't want to die.
And then just feel your way with your feet.
I don't want to die.
You're not going to die.
And I will.
I'm right here. Here, come on.
I'm going to die.
Come on. I'll help you. Come on. Come on. Now, slide your butt down.
Cool.
I guess you could slide down it, sort of.
Yeah.
Scoot down it, not slide. Scoot.
Wow.
There you go. You made it. You didn't die.
I didn't die. I lived. Oh, what's this?
Look at this slide. It has like grooves and stuff. And you know, your butt always needs a good bumping, right? Yeah, it is. It's grooved and it's bumpy and it's weird. I've never seen a slide like that before. So it's definitely an interesting playground.
Yeah. Because we can't go on that one. We can go, bro.
Alright, go ahead.
What I do? There's a steering wheel.
I'm following you. Look at the alligator.
Yeah.
Or as you would say, elevator. We haven't seen the elevators in a while, have we?
We haven't seen this in a while.
At the zoo. Ooh, that's a squeaky wheel. Don't do it, Paige. You're not strong enough to hold yourself yet.
It's going good. Keep on going.
Yeah, well, you drive that better than you do the shopping carts.
I have my toy shopping Google, but some of it's broke. So I don't want to slide. Cool. I'm going down there.
Okay, go on.
Okay. So what I do?
That's a very slow slide.
Yeah, I want.
Alright, let's see what we can do here.
Don't go across that bridge.
Okay, I won't. You're afraid of it, huh? Look, we can see the beach from here. Look at the beach. You can probably hear it. I know we can hear it. I don't know if you can.
Go across that bridge.
Hotels. Oh, sorry, motel.
Brandon!
It's a motel.
Where is he?
Diamond Cross.
Whoa!
I don't know where he is.
Brandon!
Brandon, where'd you go?
Brandon, where'd you go? He's on the other one. We better save him.
Brandon? Where are you? Brandon,
Yeah.
you answer your mother.
Where are you? Oh, I'm in the tube.
Why were you hiding in a tube?
Oh, slowly, like, down the tube. Yeah, that's what happened around that one.
Yeah, I'm not interested in going down that one, I don't think.
Mom, go down here. What's easy? I like it.
Oh, you do?
I'm not afraid of it.
I am.
No, I'm not.